So I finally got the wires all situated. I even cut some of these down. Some of these down to the fuse box right here. In the time-lapse video, it didn't show much, but I was able to, I'll leave these labels on here, and I was able to put all, when I showed the bank 1, bank 2, basically that's bank 1 of the injectors and the coil pack. So that's on bank 1, bank 2, so and what's really nice is bank 1, all the odd numbers go on the bank 1, of course bank 2, all the even numbers. Got it all done. This one is the AC high pressure. Let me see. Yeah, this is the high pressure one, and this is the brake light. So I'll run that to my car for brake lights. Got the OBD2 port on. Got some wires that are going to be going under the dash here. And then got some wires here that's going to go to the fans. And these are just extras if I ever need them. So power, fuel. I'm running a fuse with this one, inline fuse with this. So, but yeah, pretty much got it all set up. You can see some of the wires that I cut. Yeah, I did have this, it's just too long. All this is wired up, done. Don't need some of the stuff. I already got everything I need. This was actually pretty easy. Well, it's a bit nerve-wracking when you're putting all these wires together, fusing them up, well, linking them up. And we'll see how it does. I'm gonna test fit it in the car. So next video here, I am going to take my wire harness here, okay, I'm not going to even wrap it yet, I got the wrap for it, cloth tape, I got like 5 rolls of it. I want a pretty tight overlap, so I want to make it look really good, because, well, I want to take pride in my work here. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to try to fit it in the car, see where everything's going to go. I put a lot of extra ground wire. This is the key 12 volt. So I'm going to test that out. This goes to the brake. This is for the tech. And I got to test the main power, the fuel, fans. See if everything has the right amount of wire. I know pretty much from here down will, because this all goes to this is all original wiring for the motor, harness, transmission, all that's the right length. This is all the right length here, but I just want to test these extras, figure out how this is gonna, my OBD2 port, how this is gonna fit in there. So yeah, we'll see how things go. In the next video, part 3, I'll be fitting this in the car, see if I need to add any wire, if I need to take some wire away, and if all works out good, I'm going to be wrapping it. So please like, share, and subscribe, and help my channel grow. I know I'm a small channel, so please spread the word. If you like to see me continue working on this build, I'm not gonna be posting like a video every week, even though that's my goal and trying. It's not working out, but I am making videos. I am trying to do what I can here, and once I get this build done, we'll have to see what I'm gonna do next. But first steps first, let's get this wire harness in the car, see how it goes, tape it all, cloth up, see how it does. And from there, this build still, I need a exhaust, still need an exhaust. I still need the coolant system done, so I need to get all the hoses. There's a few other things that needs to be done. The transmission cooler lines need to be done. The power steering needs to be done. And the gauges. And then from there is just pretty much fluids that needs to be done. And this Supra will be running and driving really soon. Oh, and then I gotta get the computer security system programmed off and tuned, because I did put bigger injectors and I am putting bigger exhausts on it. And a bigger throttle body and a bigger, yeah, it's gonna need tuned. Hopefully I can find someone, because I don't know how to tune myself. Well, when that time comes, we'll figure it out. So yeah, this will end this part 2 of the wire harness. Part 3, fitting in the car, see if there's anything that needs taken away or add, and then wrapping it, and then fully putting it in the car. Alright, until next time guys, have a lovely day.